The next concept we are going to learn is les adjectifs demonstrative, the demonstrative adjective. So, for what do we use the demonstrative adjective? We use to show a person, a place or a thing. In English, what are the demonstrative adjectives? We use this or that, these or those, right? These are the demonstrative adjectives we use in English. In French, we have, it is very simple. We use either ce, cet, cet or ces. So these are the four demonstrative adjectives we use in French: ce, cet, cet and ces. So for what do we use demonstrative adjectives? To show a person, a place or a thing. Ce, cet, cet and ces. So shall we see the use of each one separately? So let us begin with ce. Ce means this or that. Ce. It is used before a noun that is masculine singular. So, ce, we use it before a noun that is masculine singular. For example, let us take pays. It means country. I hope you remember this word pays. It means country. Now it is in the masculine singular form. So how do you say this country? You say ce pays. Ce pays. Very simple, isn't it? We use ce before a noun that is masculine singular. So if the noun is in masculine singular, we say ce. And the next one, cet. Do you remember this? We use this before a noun that is masculine singular, but it should begin with a vowel or H mute. So this word is also used before nouns that are masculine singular. However, the nouns should begin with a vowel or with a H mute. So normally we would use an apostrophe, but in this case we use cet. For example, hotel. So this begins with a H mute. So we would say cet hotel. This hotel. This also means this or that. Cet hotel. So I hope you understood this, and you must have guessed the next word. Cet. Now this word is used before a noun that is feminine singular. So before a noun that is feminine singular, we would use cet. So let us take the example of a car, voiture. We know this is in the feminine singular form. So we would use cet. So have you understood? We just have to see the noun, see whether it is masculine or feminine, singular or plural, similar to what we have learned before. And finally, the last word, ces. You must have guessed, yes, this word is used before a masculine or a feminine noun which is in the plural form. For example, do you remember the example pays? Now the plural for pays is also pay. It is the same in the singular and in the plural form. So depending on the sentence, if the sentence demands a singular noun, we say sape if it is in the singular form. If it is in the plural form, the spelling is the same, the pronunciation is the same, its use in the sentence is what varies. Now, if it is in the plural form, what would we write? Yes, we would write say, says, paid. So, it's very simple. And the other example, voiture. Voiture. Now, it is in the feminine singular form, so we would write saith. Now, if it is voiture, if it is in the plural form, we wouldn't write saith. What would we write? We would write says. So, very simple concept. This is les adjective demonstrative, the demonstrative adjective. It is used to show a person, a place or a thing. Now, what were the 4 words we learned here? It was saith, and says. Now, where did we use this word? We used it before a noun that was masculine singular. So, masculine singular. And saith, we used it before a noun that is masculine singular beginning with a vowel or H mute. And saith, we used it before a noun that is feminine singular, and says, we used it before nouns that were either masculine or feminine plural. So, these are the 4 words we would use in the demonstrative adjective. I hope you understood this concept.